Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Well, we will continue to talk about the euro currency today, but today we will start from the hourly time frame and gradually move to the daily chart. Since the current price action is very choppy and in fact it's a bit boring, since market price action is very tight and market doesn't show really any significant patterns or some impulse thrusting moves on the market. So let's just a bit analyze what we have planned yesterday and what has happened during the previous trading session. Well, yesterday, this is the hourly chart of euro currency. Well, yesterday we have started our discussion around that area, and we said that probably market could show some move to the downside since the strong downward momentum on the 4-hour time frame. But also we have pointed that market has not quite reached the 100% extension target from that A, B, C bottom pattern, although it has hit the 618 turns to some retracement. We said that the risk that probably market still could continue move to the upside, hit this target first, and only after that will show some pullback. So we can see that the second scenario has prevailed. Market, although it has tried to move down, but hasn't succeeded in this action and returns right back and hit that 100% extension. Also here you can see why I do not like to enter in opposite direction before the market will hit some significant target. So that has happened. You can see how that has happened. Market just shows some shadows of these candles is hitting of that 100% extension. Now it turns to the downside. Well, currently and I think that during current trading session there will be no significant patterns to trade, and there will be no significant price action. Well, since we now stand at the eve of the non-farm payrolls that we will meet tomorrow, well, I think that before that market will just wait for this event. What could happen today? Well, currently, as I said, I do not see any significant patterns, and all that I could just share with you on the intraday chart is the levels that to watch for. The next target to the upside is 1618 extension 134.64. It stands inside the daily confluence resistance that we have discussed yesterday, 134.40, 134.77, with the weekly pivot point that stands in that area. So if non-farm payrolls release will be worse than expected, then probably we can see some acceleration to the upside. Just below the market stands hourly confluence support 132.86, 132.89, and 618 support from the whole retracement to the upside 132.33. Well, very often when the market hits 100% extensions from the ABCD patterns, it could show retracement not far than 618 support to hold bullish bias. If market will break that area to the downside, it will negate the C point and it will erase this ABCD pattern. Probably market will not continue move to the upside. If market will hold around the hourly confluence support, or at least above the C point, above the 618 support, then there is some chances that market will continue move to the upside, and this could happen during the non-farm payrolls release. Well, that's all about hourly chart. On the 4-hour chart also there is not much information. So now a thrust down, we just expect that probably market could show some retracement. Well, speaking in terms of the Jordan Napoli directional trade, it's a bit too much bars above the 3x3 moving average. I do not have it on this chart, but already yesterday it was 3 or even 4 bars above the 3x3. Well, the major rule of the Jordan Napoli that bread and butter trade or momentum trade should start not more than after 3 bars above the 3x3 moving average. So now we couldn't speak about the about the bread and butter Jordan Napoli bread and butter trade because there is too much bars above the 3x3 moving average, but still This retracement could possible due to reaching of the, as we said on the hourly chart, 100% extension from the ABCD pattern. Although it could appear not too deep, not to the 133, 32, 33 area, but a bit higher, only till that area, 132.90 roughly. Okay. Now we pass to the more interesting discussion, is the discussion situation on the daily time frame. Well, I intentionally left this discussion to the end of the research, because this discussion is a bit for the perspective, it's potential, what we could expect. First of all, take a look at current trading session. You can see that now market stands precisely at the price of the MACD indicator. This is the MACD predicted Jordan indicator that shows the trend. This is the derivative indicator. When the price action crosses the line of the indicator, the MACD, simple MACD, shows the crossing of their lines. Okay, so when the price stands below the red line, MACD shows bear trend. When price stands above it, MACD shows bull trend. So currently you can see that price stands precisely at the line. This tells that market could give us the specific pattern that calls stop grabber. If market will close below the red line during today's trading session, this will be the potential bearish signal that could tell us that probably market intend to take out that loss. If market closes above it, then this will lead to the shifting of the daily trend to the upside. And now I would like you to show another pattern. So you can see, do you remember that we discussed this potential 3 drive, and this move, this low is 1618 extension from that swing, from that low to that high. Okay, so if market will accelerate further to the upside and reach that area, that is our second target that we have discussed yesterday. This is the monthly pivot point that has not been traded yet during the October. Also, this is the 618 resistance from that swing and daily overbought. So market easily could reach it if trend will shift to the bullish side. In that case, we will have the potential head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern that could appear on the market. And that is the pattern that probably we have waited for in terms of the monthly chart, when we have discussed that 136.60, 137.50, 144 area is the strong support area on the monthly chart, and the strong support area on the weekly time frame. And we said that market probably could respect it with some reversal pattern that could lead to the deeper retracement to the upside, probably to the 141 on the daily time frame, and potentially that could appear. We said that the monthly chart is very extended, and we should treat the areas on the monthly time frame more as the ranges rather than just the precise numbers. So and current price action, and if it will turn to the head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern, only confirms that. So that is some thoughts about the potential price action that could appear on the market. If, of course, if market will accelerate to the downside and will show the stop grabber and continue move to the downside, then probably all that thoughts will be in vain. But currently, in the if of the non-farm payrolls, that could appear to be worse than expected. If it will appear to be worse than expected, then probably we could count on some formation of the reversal, long-term reversal patterns that could lead to the deeper retracement to the upside. And if this will be true, if this will really some head and shoulders, for instance, that could lead to the significant retracements right to the 141 area. So that's just my thoughts about the current trading session. Probably personally I will be flat during today's trading day, since on the hourly time frame I do not see any significant patterns and price action is very lazy and choppy. So, but this is choice is up to you. Probably we will find some possibilities on the lower time frames, on the 5-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart. But the major event will come tomorrow. This will be non-farm payrolls, and I think that it will could show us the direction of the market for the nearest week or so. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. The discussion of the situation right before the non-farm payrolls.